everybody. Today's video is a pretty simple, basic method type video, just showing you a technique of squaring out areas that you're going to cut out. Sometimes it's easier to do a pencil line squared up before you actually start cutting into sheetrock. This job here, a plumber had to have access to the ceiling to reach his pipes to fix some pipe leakage. And even the plumber, professional that does this every day, still can't even cut out a square area. So then you have to do it again, basically cut out the area twice. So it's easier just to pencil it off, square it up, cut it out one time, make a mess one time on the cutout, and that way you can go back and patch it in easy. Anybody can just cut a hole in a wall and have access to a hole, but just take the time, cut it out, pencil it out. You can use a level T-square. You're going to see on this method, he actually has like an L type square. This one's perfect for marking both sides. So you get the vertical and horizontal mark on the L, and then you can just flip the L ruler over and then mark the other side. Level, T-square, piece of wood, anything straight edge. Just make it square with a pencil. Basic patches, do like a 1x1, 2x2, 2x3, stuff like that. Just keep it easy. So when you go to patch it in, you already know the size of the sheetrock you need to put in. Everything's easy. If you did cut out a irregular patch like this, if you kept the original piece, a whole piece, then of course you can just reuse it. But if you're cutting out damaged areas and you're unable to reuse the sheetrock that you cut out, then just cut it out square. Keep it easy for yourself, or keep it easier for the next guy that's going to be behind you working. This video is for you plumbers, for you electricians, especially you guys. You guys love to hack into people's walls, damaging people's walls. You think you're fixing something, but you're just cutting a bunch of irregular holes in the walls, causing a big old mess. Take your time, cut it out square. It'll make the job look clean, professional, basic things. A piece of 2x4 piece of wood and a pencil will make the difference. Just make everything level, straight, clean cuts. Keep it clean, keep it professional. If you're going to do stuff, just take the time and do it right, because it's going to take more time to fix it and do it right the second time. But it's just basic, simple method video. We're just cutting out this. It's not a full video, the full patching process. It's just how to cut it out, a patch, make it square. You're going to see we spent all this extra time just to plastic off the area to contain the mess again, because we had to cut it out a second time since the guy previously didn't cut it out correctly, and then cut it out again. So it takes a lot of extra time if you do it twice. I hope you liked the video. We also have plenty of other videos on the channel, of course, start to finish, drywall repairs, patching, stress cracks, do-it-yourself type drywall repairs. So jump in the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, just go ahead and please subscribe. Also like this video, and you can also comment. More likes, the more comments, the more subscribers will help the channel grow. Thanks for viewing.
Half by 15 and a half by 14 and a half.